District magistrates of Jirbam and Bishnupur districts have set up flying squads to ensure safe and smooth agricultural activities in these two districts. In a notice issued by Jirbam DC Krishna Kumar, 2 flying squads were constituted for Jirbam district. SDC Jirbam Atom Bijendro will lead the flying squad in Jirbam subdivision, while for Borobekra subdivision, SDC Borobekra Moirangthim Devananda will lead the flying squad that consists of personnel from both state and central forces. Public can contact the mobile number 9233831030 for Jirbam subdivision, while for Borobekra subdivision, people can contact the number 700501532. Meanwhile, flying squads were also constituted for Bishnupur district. SDC Nambol Thoiding Jam Sambunat will be in charge of Nambol Circle, and people can contact 70056079896, while SDC Oinam Akoijam Punsiba Mitai will lead the Oinam Circle, and public can contact him on 73087444132. For Bishnupur Circle, SDC Bishnupur P. Rakesh Chan will be in charge, and people can reach him by calling on mobile number 70014909194. While for Ningthaukong area, public can contact SDC Ningthaukong Robert Okram by dialing the mobile number 89742-20104. For Moirang Circle, people can contact SDC of Moirang, SDC Ningthaukong Robert Okram by dialing the number 9863338225. For Kumbi area, people can contact 8787333939.